Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Acer laptop. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type here control panel. In this search bar, click on the control panel. So it will open a new window. Here you will get all the items, so we need to select view by as large icons. If you see this type of window, then go to view by and select large icons. Once we are here, we need to just scroll down and click on sound, and then it will open new window. So first of all, we need to simply right click on the speakers, disable it, and again enable it. This will fix the issue. If this not work, then simply right click on it, go to it properties, then go to levels tab. Make sure we have to set this up to the 100% and we need to enable this option. Then go to enhancements tab and check this option, disable all enhancements, then click on apply and then OK. Now close this window, right click on the star icon, go to device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. So firstly, we will right click on the speakers, go to its properties, go to drivers tab and select update driver. If you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option, search automatically for drivers. Then the best drivers will be installed. If this not work, then go for second one and select the generic software device and click on next. Once okay, again the Windows has successfully updated your driver. Now close this window, close all windows one by one and simply restart the system. Your problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way and a quick solution for this problem. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.